What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Wrecks Her Car into Family, Turns into a Felony. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
2025. Police respond to a traffic accident in Palm Beach, Florida, where a combative driver is about to start chaos.
54? I don't.
They all have two witnesses. Okay, well, I was going to move us.
Okay. You want to call someone?
I'll ask her. I haven't talked to her yet. I was going to move 100%. Us, but then I didn't want to move.
I don't know. Who's this one?
Okay. I'm going to use your license and I'll get your phone number. Huh? B1 is the red car, B2 is the young girl.
Oh, these two.
Right there. I didn't get anything.
See if you got one. Is there one available?
I don't know. I didn't even talk to her yet. See what you said.
Well, you're doing the 4.
Okay. Well, yes.
Did you run the 228s?
I didn't do anything yet. I just got here.
It's about 4 cars for me. I'm crazy large for blood.
Sorry?
My fault. Sorry.
It's your fault?
Yeah, my fault.
Are you the driver of the vehicle?
Yeah.
Your name?
Rebecca.
Do you have a driver's license with you? Are you the owner of the vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, stand by. Do you need medical?
No, it's fine.
Kilo.
So she was in front of you?
Hey, quick. Do you need medical?
Okay.
Are you the owner of the vehicle?
Me and my dad. I think it's under my dad's name.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
I was here. I was just.
Me, are you the owner of the vehicle? Me and my dad, it's under my dad's name. I know she's shaking up, but it's a simple question. And it wouldn't be you and your dad, you know, unless you're on there or whatever. But if you're on there, it's your father's vehicle, right? It's your father's vehicle. It's most likely your father's vehicle that he gave to you, right? So anyway, let's go.
Waiting for the light to turn, and she just hit me.
Okay.
Lord, I can't find it. Go ahead, fucking check.
Marie. Wait.
Huh?
Can you search the...
Alright, come on. You all will You want to take? Whatever. You want
Stand by.
Okay. What the happened? Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, whatever.
Number 14, 15. Give supervised perspective.
Yeah. Well, fucking ever. You fucking
Stand by.
Yeah.
Stand up for me.
Whatever.
Spread your legs for me.
Spread
your legs for me. Do you have any units or any... Do you have any weapons on you that's going to stick? Any drugs?
I don't, you fucking dude. Check. Go ahead, fucking check.
Marie.
Huh?
Can you search the...
I'll search the car, but I gotta go get gloves.
No.
I gotta go get gloves. She just spit it.
Yeah, but how does this even escalate to this point? I feel like there's a lot of information here because this literally went from 0 to 100. Like, what was her and the lady arguing about, or what was the disagreement? Are we gonna get to that? Like, cause a whole chunk just skipped. Like, I feel like we was on one thing and this just completely jumped to something else. Like, what?
Okay.
Right there it is. You hear me? Do not spit again.
Whatever.
Whatever, go drag. I can't fucking check. I can't move. Whatever.
I
don't want you to move. Stay right where you are.
Okay, are you going to behave so I can take you to the car? Back live. Okay. I'm back live.
I hope I am.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Who is... You're going to do the 4.
I'm doing the 4. I have 2 witnesses.
I'm doing the battery, only the battery. Only the battery,
right.
because I already placed her in handcuffs.
Okay, right.
So it's 2 batteries. The third one is, did she spit on you?
Spit on both of us. He saw her spit on both of us. But yes, she spit. Oh no, she missed me. But she spit at me.
At you.
Yeah, I think she missed me.
So, but she slapped you like.
She punched, like, went to punch me. But
She punched you. She punched me. You witnessed it?
Yes.
Would you like to give a statement?
You have 4 witnesses for that, for the battery. You have 4 witnesses. You have him.
Okay.
2 for the accident, 4 for the battery. And I gave them each their licenses to hold, so you could take a picture of it and then.
All right. The 2 witnesses of the accident, you're going to get.
I have all that.
You have all
it's
that.
2 of the same witnesses you have. For the accident, I have that gentleman and that female. For the battery, you have the gentleman, the female, and these 2.
So I have 4 witnesses.
4 witnesses.
The battery.
Yeah.
Let me start.
You can start with him.
Start with him.
Yeah. He actually knows her. He's her boss. Just happened to drive by.
I'm going to
tow it.
Okay. You're going to take the tow. All right. I'll do the 4 statements on the battery. So you're going to be other.
Okay.
No drink, nothing on me. It's just nothing on me. Just made a bad choice, that's all.
Okay, couple of them. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Watch it. Step in.
Yep. My arm hurts. Oh, my arm hurts. How? Can you take this off? It hurts.
She was parked behind my employee's car, and then I saw her start to back up. She wasn't looking at what she was doing. It looked like she was going to drive away, that she was backing up to get distance between her and my employee's car because she wouldn't have been able to turn out. I whistled. There was a pickup truck. I saw him yell at her and then reach into the car, argue with her about why she was trying to pull away, and reach into the car and take her keys out.
Rebecca was charged with battery on an officer ×3. At the first appearance, the court found probable cause, appointed a public defender for that hearing, and set bond at $1,000 for each count. A verbal no-contact order was issued, and the case was scheduled for a 30-day return on April 21st, and an initial case conference on May 15th before Judge Scott Suskauer. The defendant posted surety bonds on March 25th and was released from custody. As of May 27th, court notices and a new hearing date have been filed, with the case still pending further proceedings.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot missing there. Like, I don't even know why. I feel like there's a lot of body cam footage missing. Typically, I mean, I think, body cam files, they always do a good job or whatever. But this one, I feel like, I don't know if I would have posted it if I would have received this type of footage. Like, it's like, unless there's a lot more that we're missing, because why did she even hit what were they talking about? I feel like it would be better if we had the body cam footage of the lady as well, I feel like that would fill in a lot of blanks, but we only have the guy. So, and, you know, pretty much to go off of that, you know, as far as the rating and stuff like that, I feel like they did do a good job. I don't think they went above and beyond or anything like that, but I think it was a solid job. I give them a 4. I give them a rating of a 4. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys are going to, you know, rate the officers, how good of a job they did. I don't think they, you know, I don't think they went above and beyond, you know, but I don't think they, you know, they violated neither. You know what I'm saying? I think they just, it was solid. They stuck to their job. You know what I'm saying? And, oh, well, that's all you can ask for, man. I'll catch you in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.